Okay, we have had a lot of updates since the last time we spoke. We actually did have an independent contractor come out to do a assessment of the property, basically just to ensure that everything was done properly. I used CDA inspection services, and they were really good. It wasn't that expensive, but they did offer peace of mind, and there were some items that did come up that they had to fix, and Ryan Homes did fix them. So they were able to do that before close for the most part. What you're going to see now is we actually did close today, so it's a pretty crazy day for us. But ultimately, it started at 11 a.m. this morning, and from there we came right over here because we had stuff start to get delivered. And I had started taking a video earlier, but then delivery started coming. So I'm going to try to piece in here what it looked like before we had some stuff delivered as well, so you have a full empty house tour. But right now it's as close to empty as it's going to be, and we are moving here very, very shortly. As you're going to see, we also talked the builder into installing our aftermarket Moen kitchen faucet here for us. And that was part of us kind of like finding a middle ground, because we were sold these this lighting package that now looks much better with these different bulbs in here, but it's very different from what we were originally sold. And we came to a nice little common ground there. So they installed that for us. I did purchase the actual faucet additionally, but they made it right, and that's a couple $100 I probably would have had to spend somewhere else that now I don't. You can see here, and this is the part that got delivered while we were filming before. So we actually had a nice little delivery today. Let's see here, this is from West Elm. We went with their Harmony couches. So we have two of them. And just for scale here, the one on the right is 104 inches wide, 47 inches depth. And the one on the left here is 84 inches wide and the same 47-inch depth. And then the rug, it's very similar. We were looking at this from RH, it was very similar. And this is actually from West Elm as well. We got a pretty good deal on it. But we'll take a quick look around. I'm actually waiting for our RCN person to come back to finish installing the internet. They had to run and grab a modem because apparently you can't use your own technology for modems when you have the speed that we chose. But you are going to see some blue tape around here, and the reason for that is due to the guys apparently just removing the tape instead of actually fixing things when they should have. So our project manager got on them about that. And now we are, you could say, at the finish line here. Another thing is we still don't have our frameless shower door because apparently there is a part back ordered that's required with the Lastello that we have. Which is the decorative line in the shower. I'll show you when we get there. But otherwise, this is how we're looking so far. Tomorrow's gonna be a crazy day as we're moving everything in. We have movers coming for that. But let's take a peek upstairs. See if I can turn on this light. There are so many light switches and it takes forever for me to find the correct ones, but that's for that lighting up there. So up here. And I apologize for, I'm actually using a gimbal for the first time. And I don't know if it's user error, probably is. Just trying to get used to the controls though. But hopefully it's giving you a more smooth experience. Right, into our loft. But it's all officially ours now. was so happy to see this, and they're still actually fixing that with some paint, but now I have my Ethernet access points. Go into bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. And they have to repaint. There, I guess somebody had some grubby hands. Had some dirty hands when they were going in there. I really haven't shown this too much, but here's the secondary bathroom upstairs. I really like it. And you can see the fixtures there. Those different bulbs just make a world of difference. Master. Tray ceiling. I know I talked about this last time. Our house is so much taller than the other houses like nearby, and apparently it's because the tray ceiling makes them change the pitch of the roof, everything, and it's much taller. So if you're wondering why maybe your house isn't, like if you have a Ryan Homes and it's like shorter, I recommend if you are doing this for the first time, get the pitch or get the tray ceiling here. It makes so much difference, not just in here, but outside. Now we have our master bedroom, our master bathroom. And again, our shower door is so frameless you can't even see it. But that line there, that Listello, that's what is holding up the actual install. You can see there's some blue tape up there too where they have to fix paint. And here is another walk-in. And just the water closet. Okay, we'll head down to the basement. Not too much has changed there. We actually started getting set up here for internet. So I have my computer, my old computer, just to give us an internet connection. Sorry. This gimbal is hard to get used to, at least for me. Okay. One thing I really don't like, right there, there's an LED pot light right to our left of when you open up this door. So when you turn that on, it just like blinds you in the face. But otherwise, everything's pretty awesome. Okay. Same old with everything. There's my little janky computer set up there until they come and put all the wires. Like I have a whole setup that I'm gonna do, but just a ton of Ethernet wires. Okay, and here's the bathroom for the basement. All right, so I hope you enjoy these videos. I hope this is helpful. I highly recommend getting a home inspection done independently. It was about $575, I think, for us, and they go by square foot. But they did find quite a few items that were considered to be safety hazards, like electrical and a couple other things like loose outlets. But Ryan Homes did fix everything, so highly recommended. And then just the mechanical room here. Oh, actually, one thing I wanted to bring up. First of all, you see all this, but you're gonna see, and this is cool with Ryan Homes. See these little guys here? They have little QR codes to scan when you want to either have something serviced or find out more information about how to service things. But I thought it was a really good touch. They actually have a double-sided paper that has all the QR codes. So when we went through our final walkthrough, it wasn't as much him talking for 2 hours. It was more so us walking through the house, making sure everything looked good, but then also focusing on the heavy hitters. But yeah, all in all, we've had a great experience. Our project manager has been fantastic. What I will say, and it's been kind of disappointing, is the blue tape people. So they, multiple times, there was blue tape put there from the project manager, and instead of fixing things, they either fix things half-assed or for the most part just kind of moved the tape away and moved on. So keep on them. We worked together with the project manager and everything turned out okay. So had an awesome time. But good luck if you are purchasing a home. And if you have any questions about anything, please ask. I will be starting probably up a series about how I filled this house with either technology or just how we decorate. But I think it's going to be a combination of those two, probably more so on the tech side, because I'm a tech nerd, you could say. But any questions you have at all, if you just want to follow along, please write in the comments or consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Everyone have a great day.